If your quotes take 4 hours, you're not being thorough. You're losing 55 deals a week to a guy using Claude to code the same exact job in 4 minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly why and exactly how to fix it in the next 15 minutes of this video. Now, just in case you're unfamiliar, my name is Enzo. I help home service companies make more money with AI. So if that sounds even just slightly interesting to you, make sure to watch the video till the end, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to turn every single one of your 4-hour quotes into 4-minute quotes. But before we actually get started in this video, make sure that you download this free AI coding setup checklist. I'm going to leave a free link down below in the description. It's going to cover everything you need, and everything you need essentially to set up the system that we're going to go throughout this whole video. So the master prompt, the inputs that Claude actually needs that you need to feed it, the 4 mistakes to avoid, so essentially what kills your accuracy on the outputs that you get, and then the 4-step setup. So it's a 7-page document. It's the full thing. Make sure you grab it down below. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you have to understand is the reason why we want to reduce your time to actually get out these codes is because of the speed to lead, right? You're 21 times more likely to convert those leads if you respond within the first 5 minutes compared to somebody else who responds within the first 30. And you can cross-check these across sources like HBR, Inside Sales, Drift Studies, whatever, right? This is accurate. So that means that if you can maximize the amount of quotes that you give out, it means that you can get back to your leads a lot faster because you're spending less time on each quote. So that's very important here. That's why we want to reduce our time per quotes. Now, the second thing is the drop off that you're probably not going to see, or the drop off, right? So there's a 1 hour delay when that happens when you do quotes. And that means that you have 100 times fewer conversations because you can't get quotes out fast enough, right? For example, take a look at this chart. Let's say you get back to that customer under 5 minutes. Then you're probably 100% having a conversation with them. Now, let's say you wait 5 to 30 minutes. Now, see how your odds drop to 42% of having a conversation with that client. Same thing. Let's say you wait another 30 to 60 minutes. Now you're at 15%. And if you're past the hour, then you can forget it. Right? They probably reached out to already a different company, and they're not as warm as they were right over here, right? So your chances are like around 1%, or between 1% and 10%, right? Around that range. So that means essentially that according to this graph, the first contractor to send out an offer wins that job almost 100% of the time, or at least about like half the time, right? Because you can never be sure. As I said, it's the fastest. It's not the best. It's the first, which is the fastest. That's why speed to lead is important here. So you don't have to have the perfect offer here. Just make sure that you reach out as fast as possible. Now, this is how your quotes are actually structured and how your 4-hour is split up and how we can actually reduce that. First, you have measuring the space, right? That takes about 30 minutes, let's say. Then you have looking up material prices, say 45, calculating labor, 30 minutes, formatting the actual quoting document, that's another 45 minutes. And then you have sending an initial follow-up, that's like 30 minutes to actually send out the quote. And finally, this is the most important step that actually decides whether or not you're going to have a high conversion rate for those quotes to actually convert into jobs. It's your judgment. That's why this is in orange, right? This is why you have your scope, your strategy, your rate sheets, your pricing, market rates, all of that, where you put your input into it. It'll take you about 40 minutes, but this is the only 40 minutes that actually matters in your quoting process. All right, so that means that this whole part in blue, that's 3 hours and 20 minutes that is repetitive, which means it's templated and you can automate it using Claude or Claude Code. And the actual part in orange is the 40 minute that actually matters, where it's only you doing in the work, right? So let me show you a quick demo of what that actually looks like and how you can reduce this to a couple minutes using the right prompt. So let's go here. We're going to grab this prompt over here, copy here, and then we're going to paste it inside of Claude. So this is what the prompt looks like. You're helping me quote a mid-tier kitchen remodel. You're going to feed it the exact job details. You're going to give it these instructions. And this is the key part that most people skip. If you don't add these two lines right here, the output will be of low quality. Okay. You have to say this: use my rate sheet, signature services, and format like the past client examples. Write it in my voice. Okay. The reason why we're doing this is because a lot of business owners that don't know how to use these AI tools like ChatGPT, AI, Gemini, is because they don't feed it the proper context, right? These AI tools, they don't have any information about your business originally. So, for example, that means if I go back over here, so this is the demo remodeling business. This is the most important part that you want to have set up. You want to have your context with 5 different files or more, but everything that Claude needs to know about your business must be inside of here. So your rate sheet, right? This is filled. Signature services, the services you offer included here. Your service area, right? Your past clients, your voice and tone. And then this is where it pulls that information, every single piece of information about your business, to then give a high quality output. Without this, you're going to get outputs and results and PDFs and quotes that don't even make sense, that don't make sense for your business. So this makes it specifically tailored to you, your clients, your customers, and ideally what you want it to output for you, right? So whatever you have, just make sure you feed it in the context section. Now, once you paste this prompt in, okay, I already have the output here. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So this is the quote that is going to generate after pulling all the details from the context and after putting this exact prompt inside of Claude, right? You can see here your company name, information, the quote information here prepared for, the project details, and it is completely organized and clean. Labor, every single line item with hours, description line item, and the final amount over here as well, right? 19,000. Materials, same thing, total. And then you have the project total, and it even adds a payment schedule. Whatever your payment schedule looks like, you just make it custom tailored to that. You tell Claude, and it's going to add it in this payment schedule section over here. And then it shows what's included, what's not included. The next step, all you have to do now is send this quote to the customer. They sign here, print name, date on both sides, and you're good to go. See how fast that was? It literally took a few minutes. But the initial setup is where you're going to spend most of your time. Once you set up the project initially with the proper context, then you can get high quality outputs like this that actually make sense for your business. Now, let's say you want to take this to the next level and you want a full productized system that you can use consistently without even having to log into Claude. Then you can use something like this. This is an AI quoting dashboard that I built for one of my home service clients in order to make it easier for them to give out quotes. And let me just show you how easy it is now. They come here on the new quotes, they put the customer details, they put the location, they put the scope, so bathroom remodel, these are the options, they put the square footage, and finally they put the scope notes here. Then they hit generate 3-tier quote. And if I go on all quotes here, you're going to see it's going to pop up over here. Let's just select one of them, for example, this one. And they get all of this. The customer's information, everything is here. The 3-tier proposal with every single line items for all the quotes you can see here. It's categorized by labor, material, and overhead cost. You can edit if you want to. If there's anything you want to edit, you can delete some line items like this as well, right? These quotes are generated from their market rates, their pricing sheet, their past clients' invoices, their past clients' quotes. So it has all of the data about the business, and that's how it's able to generate these numbers accurately. So these are not just random numbers. These are numbers that make sense for how he usually quotes his customers, but it just does it like this in seconds, right? Then, of course, you have the profitability tracking down below here. It shows the exact revenue depending on the quote that he's going to choose out of those 3 tiers. It shows the actual cost, the profit, and of course, the actual profit margins. And then it splits it by category, so material, labor, and then overhead, so you know where your money is actually going. And then you also have the option to enter the actual cost. So whenever you make purchases for those projects or for those jobs, you can log them right in here so that you can actually track how much money you're spending. And that way your profitability dashboard here is going to be accurate. Same thing for over here. Then the next section, we have the profitability section, and this is just the summation. So it's just the total of every single project. It will show you the revenue for that month, the actual cost, your actual profit, and then your actual portfolio margin, right? You can see all here, your per job performance. Everything is accurate, and then just, it makes it very, very clear what you need to work on. For example, here, margin drivers, data mismatch between job level and category totals, etc., right? And then it gives you recommendations to do as well. And then over here, we have the API usage. This is just how much you're spending on AI tokens, just so you know. And then finally, this is a little bit of a bonus. It's a design studio, which means that you can pick a quote to generate AI mockups for your clients. All you have to do is just upload real photos and the AI does the rest. Okay, so if you want a little bit more of a productized system that is consistent and will give you fast and consistent results, then I would use something more like this. Okay. Now, the other thing that you have to understand is the compounding math of all this. Your quoting time is essentially your revenue ceiling. Think about it like this. When you spend 4 hours per quote, you can only push out 4 quotes per week at the maximum, right? But if you spend 4 minutes per quote only, you can multiply this amount by 20, right? 12. That's bad math. 12. By 12, that means you can now push out 60 plus quotes per week with the same amount of leads that you had before, right? You don't have to spend more money on marketing. You're just capitalizing off of the leads and clients you already have to make more money. And of course, your close rate stays the same and you have 6 times more booked jobs just because you increased the amount of calls that you push out per week. So it's very, very important. And then this is where your leads actually die. Okay. So if you look at what your funnel looks like, this is kind of what it looks like. Let's say you get 20 leads per week and you have your ceiling of 4 hour calls, which is your main bottleneck. And then because of this, you're only able to push out 5 calls per week. That means that you have 15 leads that are dead every week. They're dead because they're not responding too fast enough because you took 4 hours to get back to them, right? And essentially, it just means that it's not a time problem. It's a revenue cap problem. You just have a ceiling as to how much you can make. Because a lot of those leads you end up losing because you spend too much time quoting. And doubling your marketing money, your ad spend, it doesn't remove that ceiling. It just kills your clients faster, right? So even if you spend more money on Facebook ads or whatever marketing tactics or marketing systems you may use, you're gonna get more leads, but you still have this 4 hour ceiling, which means you can only still push out 5 quotes per week or whatever your amount looks like. Okay, so you have to solve the problem at its root, which is the time you spend on your quotes. Okay, now let me be a little bit transparent here with you. This is what Claude actually won't do for you. These 3 things, you have to put your full attention and focus on them. One is your pricing strategy, okay? Claude prices according to the market, but you know when a client will pay a premium. Okay, you know what your prices look like. You know what these customers will pay a premium for. So you have to make sure you get this dialed down. 2 is the scope decisions. So what to include, when you need to upsell, when to actually push back and try to come up with pricing objections, stuff like that. Claude doesn't know your client, only you do. So make sure you have this dialed in. And then the last one is relationship instinct. Okay, you have to know when to call compared to when to email, when to walk away, when to push the client for a decision. And this is only known through past experience. There is no way that Claude can make this work instead of you. Okay, so these 3 items, Claude is not going to take care of them. So you make sure that you still put your full attention and focus in these 3. Okay, but Claude will remove the repetitive work, which takes up 80% of the quote. So that means that your 40 minutes of judgment gets your full focus and attention. That is all that you have to worry about. Okay. Now, the real client David that I showed you earlier, right? This dashboard over here. This is what productizing this looks like. Before you were spending like before you were spending like a couple hours per week on these quotes, and you were only able to push out 5 quotes. Now he's able to push out at least 30 quotes per week because of how faster it is for him to push out these quotes using the AI quoting agent that I just showed you guys earlier. And the close rate is still held at around like 22%, and that is still 6 times more booked jobs. The same lead flow, the same amount spent on marketing, but he didn't have to spend more hours chasing up after leads or spending hours extra on these quotes that he actually didn't need to spend. So that is a very, 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 very good upside of a system like this. And in order to reframe this whole thing, this is where your attention actually goes. With the 4 hour quotes, 83% of it is templated. So you can essentially automate it with Claude, as you've seen earlier. And the 17% is actually you that is putting in your judgment. But once you transition to the 4-minute quotes, 100% of the quote is your judgment. Okay, it means that your full attention on the 20% matters. Okay, you're putting your full attention on the 20% of the quote that actually matters. And that means that speed makes quality possible, right? When the templated 80% is already handled, you have better pricing, better scope, and you have a better follow-up because you're putting your full energy on 20% of the quote, and the rest, you already know that it's automated, it's handled for you. Okay, so that is it for the video. I hope that you enjoyed the content. I hope that you enjoyed everything that I showed. Now, if you would like for me to take a look at your business, or you need help building this AI internal quoting system directly inside of your company, make sure you book a free consultation call. Or if you just want to find out how to use AI where it would make sense to use AI into your business, you can just book a free consultation call. I'll leave a link somewhere down below. And of course, make sure you grab the free AI quoting setup list that I showed you in the beginning. It's free. Make sure you download it so you can follow all these steps along with me. All right. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Ciao.